Hi, this is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness. Do you know the 18 long-term health benefits of taking a long walk? And by long walk, I mean one that is more than an hour long. In the fall issue of my quarterly newsletter, Walking Inspiration, this is issue number 11, you'll find information on 18 benefits of taking a long walk and what I do at the midpoint turnaround to help me with my mindset and my creativity. Now, 3 benefits of taking a long walk are an increase in heart and lung capacity, reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke, and lastly, you'll burn more calories even after you stop walking. Now, what's important is what I call time on your feet. How long can you walk or stand before you need to sit? Now, once a person loses their mobility and the ability to walk, and life expectancy plummets dramatically. Don't become a statistic. Continue the walking habit and prevent future health issues. So download my free copy of Walking Inspiration and find out about the other 15 benefits of taking a long walk. Now, within issue 11, you'll also learn the 7 habits that will change your life. And these simple habits are easy to implement and they'll make a big change in your life with very little effort. My article on walking in less sunlight during the fall and winter months covers why it's vital to exercise outdoors and the role vitamin D plays in your health. Each issue of Walking Inspiration contains the warm-up, contains what I listen to while I'm walking. Big hint here, I like acoustic guitar music and personal development programs. Also, there's fitness on the road tips, what I see on the road, which is also dealing with what I like to take pictures when I'm out there. And lastly, I answer readers' questions in the cool down section. Click the link below to get your copy of Walking Inspiration and get my bonus Get Out the Door checklist. Then you can go on the website and download any of the past issues, the past 10 issues that I've put out of Walking Inspiration. Now, there's more to walking than just putting one foot in front of the other. Walking for Health and Fitness, which is my website, is dedicated to all things walking. So check out the site. There's my blog posts on there. I have a ton of YouTube videos. I think I'm up to about 90 right now. And I've got you covered with all things walking with my 3 books. There's Walking for Health and Fitness, which gives a great overview of walking. There's my second book, Fitness Walking and Bodyweight Exercises, which is a complete workout book and what I call my core 4 fitness exercises. You combine this with walking and it'll get you in great shape and help you to lose weight. And my third book, which is Walking Inspiration, is a 12-month plan to inspire you throughout the year. There's monthly topics such as goal setting, what's your why? What's your why for doing walking or doing anything? And also like the power of your brain. So each month has a new topic and every day there's a quote that reinforces that topic. Okay, so each book is available at Amazon.com. And please subscribe to this channel, click the notification bell, so when I put out more walking videos, you'll be the first to get a notification, okay? So this is Frank for Walking for Health and Fitness. Walk on.